Hello, on today's installment, I will be showing you guys how to install factory keyless entry on a 2000 to 2005 Chevy Impala. It will require that you pick up a module from the junkyard, and you'll also want to pick up a couple key fobs. When you go to pick up key fobs, you want to make sure that the FCC ID number on your module and your key fobs match. If they don't match, it's not going to work. Also, I have only done this research on the Impalas. You may be able to do this technique on other W body platform vehicles. I'm not sure. I don't own one. All I own is an Impala, and that's what we're going to do on it today. Also, on the 2000 to 2005 Chevy Impalas, there is already a plug for this module. From what I have read, all it is simply plug this module in, go to your radio, and go to key fob program. And then voila, it should work. So that's what we're about to find out today. Thank you. That blue connector is the connector that will plug into the module. Now, in order to get access to that module, you have to take off this grill for the defrost. However, to do that, you have to remove your A-pillar covers. Now, on a lot of manuals, they'll tell you you have to remove this. You don't. Just simply pull and lift up on that plastic piece and then get it out of your way, and then simply pop the clips out. You do that on both sides, and then you gently work your hands underneath the grill, and you slowly work your hand up. Slowly work it up. Now, I will tell you, these are extremely fragile and they will crack. So do take care not to break anything. Now, simply take your module, plug in the blue connector, and then stick it down in its desired hole. Just like that. Now, I will note that you will have to climb under the dash and try to fish this harness back in there, into that little hole right there. But once you do that, piece of cake, just plug it in. All right, now that you have that module in, go ahead and stick your key in, turn it to the on position. Now, you will push and hold the display button. Until you get to settings. And then you will scroll until you get to fob program. There it is. Push next. And then once it says begin, hit the display. Now it says push fob. So there's that one. There's that one. And then go ahead and exit out of there. Then I'll turn the key off, turn the key back on. And the key fobs work. Just like that. Alrighty, and just like that, simple as 1, 2, 3, you now have working keyless entry on your base model Impala. I have yet to find another video like this on YouTube, so I really hope this helps someone out there that wants to add keyless entry to their vehicle and don't want to pay an arm and a leg to go to an aftermarket audio shop to have it installed. Now, this literally cost me $10 to do and took a couple hours of my day searching for the parts and then programming everything. So if you like this, please comment, share, like, and until next time, God bless and have a good one.